At least it looks like I've thrown off my pursuers. But I never thought Sasuke would attack there. I will have to change my plans a little. But first, back to the leaf. Huh.
It's been a while, Danzo. Since the Uchiha incident, I believe.
You're Madara Uchiha. Do you want something from me?
No. There's someone I want you to meet. All I've done is bring him along.
Where am I?
Sasuke Uchiha, huh?
This is my gift to you, Sasuke. Itachi's foe and the target of your vengeance.
Danzo.
The Uchiha clan, a Sharingan user. Huh, perfect. I'll just take both of your Sharingan.
What is this chakra?
Now then, show me. Show me your hatred.
Struggle to your heart's content. What's with those eyes on your right arm?
Lots of things. It's a long story.
No matter. Hearing the reason would only have made me angrier.
Mission start.
I have one thing I want to ask you. Is it true that you ordered Itachi Uchiha to wipe out his entire clan? I'm asking you if it's true!
I didn't think he was that kind of man, but...
Amaterasu!
I see. Itachi told you everything.
Amaterasu!
I suppose you are a special case after all.
Was it true?
That's right. Next, we will fight with our eyes.
What does this mean? He should have been defeated.
It's that jutsu of Danzo's.
brothers, possessed of the same ability, yet seeing completely different paths. The truth about Itachi is not that important for you to know. You're just looking for an excuse to throw your hatred around. Because of you, the Uchiha clan's sacrifice will have been in vain.
Amaterasu!
What purpose is there remaining in this worthless life, Itachi?
Amaterasu!
Look how someone can throw away their hatred as if it were nothing. Like that. He was all you had left. Isn't that the definition of failure?
Apologize to my clan in the next world.
I wonder what Itachi would see if he looked at you now.
There's no mistake. The jutsu Danzo is using is a visual jutsu that's forbidden even among the Uchiha. He's an...
Sasuke, I'm starting to see a little of his jutsu's true form. His jutsu can transfer unpleasant things into his dream. But there's a limit on how many times it can be used. The indicator is...
the number of eyes on his right arm.
Yeah, and there's only one left. He has nowhere to run.
The eyes on his right arm. So that means he can only use the jutsu one more time.
So you've noticed. Go to where Itachi is. Maybe he can preach to you.
You're the one who's going to meet Itachi.
Sasuke, reinforcements! Be careful.
No mercy. Amaterasu!
No problem. They're weaklings after all.
You are the shame of the leaf. Die!
What a battle! There's no chance to jump in at all.
Don't interfere. This is Sasuke's battle.
Amaterasu!
Sasuke!
You and the leaf. You're all rotten.
Wind style vacuum wave. No mercy. No mercy.
A battle fought with the eyes? Don't make me laugh.
Wind style vacuum wave. No mercy. Amaterasu!
You and the leaf. You're all rotten.
You fools!
A ninja ruled by hatred has no future.
Chidori
You and the leaf. You're all rotten.
Take this! Wind style vacuum wave barrage! No mercy. Amaterasu!
You're erasing the meaning of the Uchiha's sacrifice.
Your life is worthless.
got to bring this to an end soon.
Take this!
Wind style, vacuum wave barrage! That's pointless. How can this be? Why won't the Izanagi work?
You're the one who's going to meet Itachi. Die.
He's using genjutsu.
Don't underestimate the Uchiha.
To be beaten by this child.
This is a battle fought with the eyes. Don't underestimate the Uchiha. You are finished here.
Well done, Sasuke.
I was not mistaken.
I'll take Shisui's eye.
For the sake of the world of ninja, and for Hidden Leaf. You cannot possibly be allowed to live!
This is the reverse tetragram sealing jutsu. Sasuke! Get away from Danzo! I never thought he would throw away his own life to drag us down with him.
Time to move on. Let's head to the Leaf.
Don't be hasty, Sasuke. Right now, you need rest. You've used up too much of your visual strength. Someday, you may not be so resilient.
I have no intention of being ordered around by you.
And if you did go to the Leaf, what could you do with those dim eyes? Just go back to the hideout for now. To achieve your goal, you must have patience. Understood? Don't let yourself be reckless.